Oakley Neil Caesar-Su, widely known as Central Cee, is rumored to step back into the footwear spotlight with a new Nike collaboration expected in the first half of 2026. Reports suggest the British artist is preparing multiple Nike Air Force 1 low releases, marking another chapter in his growing fashion influence. The news follows earlier conversations around Nike Tech Fleece and his first Air Max project under the SYNA World label. Early buzz intensified after an in-person look at a Dark Beetroot Air Force 1 low surfaced during ComplexCon Las Vegas. The pair features a clean and understated approach, highlighted by a near-tonal color treatment and premium materials throughout the upper. Subtle branding appears with Central Cee's logo embroidered on the lateral heel, keeping the design refined rather than loud. This dark beetroot colorway is expected to release exclusively in the United Kingdom. While the story behind the color has not been revealed, another rumored pair aligns with SYNA World gray and black sportswear. Official release details are still pending.